Kung nawawala or nasira ang aking physical card, ma-avail ko pa ba yung mga HMO benefits from Medicard Philippines? The answer is yes. Dahil aside from our physical card, ay meron na rin po tayong virtual card na maaari nating makuha by downloading yung Medicard Go app. Tama po kayo ng dinig, Medicard Philippines has its own Medicard mobile application called the Medicard Go app. So when you look at your App Store or Play Store, ganito po yung logo na hahanapin natin. And in order for us to create our account, kakailanganin lang po natin ng Medicard account number and yung ating birth date. And kapag nakapag-create na po tayo ng account, dito po natin makikita yung home screen niya. And once you click this one, dito po natin makikita yung ating virtual card na pwede po natin gamitin, which is as good as our physical card when availing the benefits. Aside from that, madami pong features ang pwedeng makita sa Medicard Go app, and we are going to discuss